So much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Meekah!
Hey, it's me, Meekah. And today I'm at Pretend City in Irvine, California. And I'm in my repair shop. Would you like to take a look around? Okay, follow me. Look, this is the car I'm working on. Just like you go to the doctors when you're sick, cars go to the repair shop when they need help. What's that car? You're feeling blue today? Well, you've come to the right place. Mechanic Meekah will help you out. First, we should try to turn the car on. Come on. Let's see. Oh no, it's not working. The engine won't start. Let's check under the hood. Yeah, the hood is this part of the car. We'll pop it open and look inside. Let's check your oil. Okay, car, you've got plenty of oil. What about your air filter? Okay, that sounds good. Oh, we should check the spark plugs. There are 2 of them. 1, 2. Okay, spark plugs are good. Let's check the engine. Yeah, the engine helps the car run, and it sounds like this. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Will you make an engine sound with me? Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, check the battery. Beep, beep. Okay, let's try to turn it on now. Check it out! We fixed it! Awesome job. All right, car, I think you're ready to go. Check it out! Something's missing. Do you know what belongs here? Yeah, a tire! I'll go get one. Check it out! Do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's a circle! Okay, I need 3 lug nuts. 1, 2, 3. Let's go put on this tire. Okay. There we go. Will you count the lug nuts with me? Okay. 1. 2. 3. I know. Let's use the torque wrench to tighten them. Whoa, can you make that sound? So silly. Okay, let's give it a spin. Are you ready? Are you steady? Go! That was awesome, fixing the blue car. Let's go see what other vehicles we can repair. Come on! Let's find some trucks. Do trucks drive in the sky? Do they drive on water? No, silly, they drive on the road. Do you see any trucks? Yeah, a fire truck! Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Do you know what fire trucks are used for? Oh yeah, they put out fires. Okay, let's see if it's working. Oh no! Don't worry, Mechanic Meekah here to repair you. Let's open up the hood and see what's wrong. Let's pop open the hood and see if we could make you run smoother and faster. Oh, the fire truck needs oil. Yeah, trucks use oil to help cool them down. And look, I have some oil here, always prepared. Okay, let's put some in. Just a little more. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, the oil did just the trick. Okay, fire truck, you're ready. Let's go see if we can help some other vehicle. Come on. Whoa, we're on a construction site. Oh, and take a look. Here's a yellow bulldozer. Bulldozers are used on construction sites to help us move dirt. Bulldozer, bulldozer, help us push the dirt over. Let's see what's wrong with this one. Oh, it needs some gas. I know. We need a tow truck. Tow trucks help other vehicles move down the road when they can't move themselves. I have some rope in my jam pack. We'll tie it to the front of the bulldozer and find a gas station nearby. Come on. Okay, here we go. I'll be a tow truck. Beep, 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 beep. Wait! Traffic lights. Traffic lights help direct the traffic. Red means stop. Green means go. And yellow means go really, really slow. Hey, will you pretend it's a yellow light with me and go super slow? Come on. Oh, it's green now. Let's go. Oh, look, a gas station. Some vehicles use gas and other vehicles run on electricity. This bulldozer runs on gas. Just like you need food in your valley for energy, cars use gas when they need energy. Let's fill it up. Awesome! We're doing such a great job at helping all these vehicles. Let's go find some more. Oh, hello, Seal. Ooh. Oh, this vehicle looks different. Doesn't have any wheels. Do you know what kind of vehicle this is? That's right, it's a gray boat. Boats are used to get people and food and clothes and even animals across the ocean. Ooh, a pirate hat. Arr, my boat won't float. Can you help me figure out why, matey? Why won't this boat float? Let's check it out. Oh no! There's a hole in the side of the boat. Do you know how boats work? Yeah, they float across the ocean, but if there's a hole, they can't float. No problem. Meekah's Vehicle Service, here to repair. Okay, how can we do this? Oh, I know. I have a hammer in my jam pack. We'll patch up the hole. Come on. Oh, there you go. We fixed it. Okay, let's see if our boat will sail. Okay. Oh, I hear my phone over in my office. We better dock this boat and go check it out. I wonder who's calling. Oh. Hello, it's me, Meekah. Oh, hi, Mrs. Mayor. What? No way. Oh, okay. All the vehicles in town have broken down and we have to repair them all. Okay, we're on it. Oh, I'm exhausted. I can't believe we fixed all the vehicles in town. Oh, my phone's ringing. Oh, hello, Mrs. Mayor. We sure did. We fixed all the vehicles in town. Oh, you're welcome. It was my pleasure. What's that? We won what? Oh, I see it. Thank you so much. Bye. Check it out. We won the Best Vehicle Repair Service in Town Award. This calls for a 10-second dance party. We did it. We did it. We never, ever quit it. We did it. Thanks for all your help. Oh, I couldn't have done it without you, friend. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Can you spell my name with me? Great. M-E-E-K-A-H, Meekah. Okay, friends, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Meekah, and today I'm at the Children's Creativity Museum in San Francisco, California. Do you know what creativity is? It's when you use your imagination to make anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mission control. I'm ready to explore. Whoa, smooth landing. Did you see? I was a rocket ship. Hey, look at these cool blocks. They're so colorful. Ooh, and they feel soft. Do you know what shape this is? This is a rectangle. See, there's 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Yeah, do you know what color it is? Green, that's right. And look at all the little circles. Huh, these are really cool. Ooh, one of my favorite colors. Yellow. Hey, what if we built a rocket ship out of these blocks? All right, let's do it. Maybe this one and this one. And we need some wings. Which block would make a good wing? This one. And maybe this one. Maybe some yellow on the top. Yellow, it's nice and bright. This way space knows we're coming. And then maybe this. Whoa. Yes, it's time to launch this rocket ship into space. Count down with me from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! We've landed in space. There's no gravity. This is why I'm walking like this. I'm floating because I'm astronaut Meekah. Whoa. One small step for inspiration. One giant leap for creativity. Whoa. Look at all these moon rocks. We have to hop over them. Will you hop with me? Okay. Nice hopping. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's more to create. Let's go.
Creativity installed.
Whoa, it says launch it. You must be able to launch things here. Huh. This is a vertical wind tunnel. Yeah, this wind down here forces things to go up through the tunnel. This is a great way to test gravity. Do you know what gravity is? It's the force that pulls everything on Earth to the ground. It's also what keeps the planets orbiting the sun. Without gravity, they would just be floating around in space like this. Whoa! Whoa! Where's gravity? Hey, looks like there's some items here that we could test to see which ones will float up through the tunnel.
It's time for sink or fly.
Let's see. Oh, look. There's some leaves and flowers. They look really light. Do you think that they'll float up through the tunnel? Only one way to find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! 3, 2, 1. It went all the way up out of the tunnel, and here it comes. Woo, woo. I got it. Want to see if it'll go up again? Okay. Ready? Goodbye, little leaf. Whoa, that's so cool. What else is in here? Oh, look at the squishy ball. Quack, quack, quack. I wonder if this will float up the tunnel. What do you think? It's a little heavier than the leaf. All right, let's try. 3, 2, 1. Nope. I think it's too heavy. Oh, look, there's some cotton balls here. See? They're green and soft. They also feel pretty light. Should we try? Maybe we can try both of them at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. It didn't fly up, but did you see it twirling around? Let's try again. Whoop, nope. All right. Hey, this kind of looks like my bow. Twins. This is pretty light too. Do you think it's gonna go up the tunnel? Let's try. Oh, just went up a little bit. Let's try it again. Whoa, that was so cool. What about this? Ooh, this is so pretty. This piece of fabric, yeah, it looks light and floaty. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna let go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Can I catch it? Got it. That was a fun one. I want to do it again. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Wow. So it seems like the items that are really light go straight up out of the tunnel. And then the items that are kind of heavy stay towards the bottom, or they don't float at all. What about this streamer? You might see this at a birthday party as a decoration. But have you seen a streamer in a vertical wind tunnel? Woo! Ready, set, go! Whoa! Can I catch it? Can I catch it? Got it. Gravity is so awesome. Should we pretend to walk like there's no gravity? Okay, let's go. Whoa. 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 There's no gravity. I wonder what's going on with this wall. I see some tubes and pipes, and this looks like a track. And oh, look, there's a magnet on the side, and it sticks to the wall because it's magnetic. Cool. I have a great idea. Let's make a comet run. Do you know what a comet is? It's made of frozen space dust and rock and ice, and the closer it is to the sun, the faster it travels because of gravity. So we could say that this ball is the sun. Ooh, so hot, it's hot. Okay, sun, you stay there. And now I need to make a comet run. So I'm gonna move some of these pieces so that the ball can travel towards the sun. So let's see, maybe move this down like this. What do you think? All right, now, which ball should be the comet? What about this one? One of my favorite colors, purple. Okay, do you want to be the comet? Great. Okay, you got this. You have to travel so fast towards the sun. You ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that was amazing. Did you see how fast it traveled? Let's try another one. Maybe this yellow one of my other favorite colors. Okay, focus on the sun and travel as fast as you can. You got this. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Oh, that one fell off. Maybe we should try the purple one again. All right. There's the sun. Travel so fast. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! That was amazing! This calls for a 10-second dance party. Dance it out with me. Hey, let's go explore some more. Whoa! They even have a space up on the rooftop outside where you can be creative. Look at all of this art. Whoa, these are doors. Hello? They painted them. Oh, look, a little green squiggly line, and someone painted a heart. Oh, cool. Whoa, this structure kind of reminds me of a rocket ship. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Hey, they have a smock. That means that I could paint something. Yeah, it's good to wear a smock, then you can protect your clothes from the paint. I'm feeling so inspired. What should I paint? Maybe something in space? I will paint. Maybe you can guess. Do you know what planet we live on? Yeah, Earth. So I'm going to use, you know this color? Blue, yeah, blue, like the sky, the ocean. Whoa, I'll make a big circle for our planet Earth. Round and around and around. So there's so much water on Earth, and there's a lot of land. So maybe I'll use green too. Yes, here's green right here. See, green like trees or like a delicious avocado. We'll put some green on here too. Oh, okay, there's Earth. And then I think I'm gonna paint some white stars too. Hey, did you know that there's over 100 billion stars in our galaxy? And that our galaxy is called the Milky Way. We'll just do some stars like this all over. What do you think? I like it a lot. Wow, well, I'll let that dry for now. I had so much fun playing and learning with you today. We got so inspired and we used our creativity and our imagination. Remember when we learned about comets and how they're made of frozen space dust? I think that's so neat. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Cool. M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.
Whoa, look! It's the Triceratops. Hello, what's your name? Baby John. Oh, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet you. And we're here today at Glazer Children's Museum in Tampa, Florida. Hey, Baby John, would you like to do the dino stomp with me? Yeah, roar to you too. Hey, I have a great idea. Whoa, I'm going to be a paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist that studied things that lived a long time ago, like dinosaurs. A real-life dino detective. Whoa. Oh. Can I hear a roar if you'd like to learn more about dinosaurs? Whoa! Okay, let's go. See you, Baby John. Hey, I have a joke for you. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore. Okay, I have another joke for you. What do you call a baby dinosaur? A wee Rex. Check out these dinosaur eggs! Whoa! Did you know dinosaurs are reptiles because they hatch from eggs? Let's play a game of Guess That Reptile. I'll give you a hint. Yes, alligators are reptiles. Okay, here's another one. Yeah, snakes are reptiles too. Okay, one more. This reptile moves like this, and it has a hard shell. Yeah, a turtle. Did you know some dinosaur eggs were as small as a grape, and some were as big as a beach ball? Would you like to keep learning more about dinosaurs with me? Oh, so great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to explore? Let's go. Stomp, stomp, roar. Hey, will you do the dino stomp with me? Great. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Wiggle your tail and clap your hands. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Great job, little dinosaur. Whoa, check out these dinosaur footprints. They're so big. Wow, oh, my feet look so tiny in comparison. Let's count how many prints there are. 1, 2, 3. 3 dinosaur prints. Ooh, and what's this? Listen. Wow. That feels really bumpy. And this one, it feels pretty smooth. I wonder what this feels like. Whoa, this feels like carpet. And what about this? Really bumpy. Do you hear that? Yeah, it sounds like rain. Rocks and grass and eggs and all, looking for dinosaurs big and small. Whoa! Hello, dinosaur friends. I'm Meekah. Nice to meet ya. Whoa! This is a triceratops, just like Baby John. Hey, would you like to have a dance party with me? Sure, that sounds fun. Oh yeah, go dinosaurs, go. Woohoo, woohoo, roar, roar, roar. That was so much fun. Ooh, check this one out. It has plates on its back. Let's take a closer look with our magnifying lens. Whoa, so cool. And look, it's T-Rex. Rawr. Did you know T-Rex is a carnivore? Yep, because she likes to eat meat. And look over there. Oh, a Parasaurolophus. Honk, honk. Oh, what's this? A dinosaur fossil. Cool. I wonder where it goes. Let's go find out. Check out these dinosaurs. It looks like they're having a dance party. I know. I'll design some dinosaurs to join them. This one will be for me. This one can be for you. And this one can be for Blippi. Okay, I'll color my dinosaur with my 2 favorite colors, yellow and purple. Oh, it's so beautiful. My dinosaur needs a name. A Meekahsaurus. Rawr. Okay, now I'll color one for Blippi. And I'll use his favorite colors, blue and orange. Look, I even gave him orange glasses. Okay, now I'll color one for you. And I'll use green and pink. And a dinosaur for you. Okay, they're ready to dance. Whoa! That was so much fun! Hey, check it out! Another dinosaur bone. Let's keep looking for where it goes. I wonder where these dinosaur bones go. What's that? There's a Triceratops puzzle behind me? Where? Oh, whoa, you're right! Let's see where these go. I think this is the horn. Yeah, it fits! 2 more pieces. I know. This must be the rib, and this must be the tail. Triceratops means 3-horned face. See? 1, 2, 3. Triceratops. So cool. We did it. We did it. We never ever quit it. We did it. Whoa! Whoa! It's Big John. He's 66 million years old. Check it out. Whoa! Look at his big beak. I bet he ate lots of yummy fruits and vegetables. And look at his femur. Whoa! And check out his long tail. That's so cool. Hey, Big John, I met your baby John earlier. He was so lovely. Whoa! Wow! Check out those horns. 1, 2, 3. Did you know the tri in Triceratops means 3? Yeah. And look at his frill. It kind of looks like a crown. Whoa! Look at those ribs. So gigantic. Whoa! Oh. Wow! Look! Whoa! This is incredible! Big John is the biggest Triceratops ever to be found! Whoa! Yeah, he was an herbivore! Whoa! And I could see all his ribs. And his head is so big! I bet it weighs a lot of pounds. Well, it was nice meeting you, Big John. See you later. We did it! This calls for a 66 million year dance party. We did it. We did it. We never ever quit it. We did it! That was so much fun being a real dinosaur detective. And we got to meet Big John, the world's biggest Triceratops. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Can you spell my name with me? Great! Meekah. Meekah. Okay, dinosaurs, let's stomp on out of here. Rawr.